Namaste children, in this session number 41, we are going to solve the problems which are remaining from question number 5 and 6 from worksheet number 3, and also we are going to solve the problems from value based question under the chapter rational numbers as decimals. Children, in worksheet 3, question number 5, we have to evaluate the problems children here. In that fourth one is 6.05 plus 5.01 minus 12.5 minus 0.09. Here we are going to solve the numbers which are inside the brackets first. 6.05 plus 5.01 which is 11.06 minus 12.5 minus 0.09 is 12.41. Here the evaluation is done children, which is equal to, you can observe here the answer is 11.06 minus 12.41. Here because the number is big children and it is having a negative sign, it is written above. Below 11.06 is written. One is plus sign, one is minus sign. We are going to subtract and keep the bigger number sign. 1 is less than 6, so we are going to take the borrow. 4 will become 3, 1 will become 11. 11 minus 6 is 5. 3 minus 0 0. Point as it is. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Bigger number sign is minus. So the answer is minus 1.35. Next is question number 5. 182.3 plus 12.65 minus 0.23 minus 10.71. We are going to solve it serially. First 182.3 plus 12.65 which is equal to 194.95. Before going to add or subtract, first we shall make them into like decimals children. After point there should be equal number of digits in both the cases, then only we can solve. So the answer what we get, 194 minus 0.95 minus 0.23, we have to subtract. Before subtracting you have to check whether they are in the form of like decimals. The answer is 194.72 minus 10.71. Again we have to subtract, which is equal to 184.01. Children, next is question number 6. Simplify and express the result as rational number in its lowest terms. Here are the given problems children. In these problems we shall use the BODMAS rule. The first one is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 6.25 divided by 0.25. Here we have many operations like addition and division children. We don't have subtraction or multiplication. First, according to the BODMAS rule, B means brackets, O means off, D means division, multiplication, addition and division. In this way only we have to solve the problems children by using BODMAS rule. Here since we have only division and addition, so according to BODMAS we should divide first and then add. So here 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 is written as it is, plus 6.25 divided by 0.25. We have to remove the decimal symbol in the denominator, so we shall transfer the point to the right hand side. When I transfer 2 digits to the right hand side, 625 divided by 100 we have to write children, and in the denominator to remove the decimal point, 25 divided by 100 we write. The 100 ones get cancelled, we are left with 625 divided by 25. Cancel with 25 table, or even to make it simple you can divide with 5 table. 25 ones are 25, 25 25s are 625. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 plus 25 by 1. LCM for 5 and 2 is 10 children. 2 5s are 10, write in the numerator. 5 2s are 10 into 2, 1 10s are 10. 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 25 10s are 250. Total is 257 divided by 10. Here we have to simplify and express the result as a rational number in its lowest term. Question number 2. 2 by 5 minus 1 by 4 plus 8.1 into 2.7 divided by 0.09. Here we have to follow the BODMAS rule. First, according to BODMAS rule, we have B, that is brackets. We have to solve the brackets first. 2 by 5 minus 1 by 4 plus as it is. Here in the brackets 8.1 into 2.7, which is equal to 21.87 divided by 0.09. Next, we don't have off. So next is division children. 21.87 divided by 0.09 will be written. Now in the next step we shall remove the decimal sign, decimal point. 21 by 2187, that is 2187 divided by 100, and 0.09, that is 9 by 100. Now we shall write 2187 divided by 9, because 100 ones are get cancelled. Now cancel 2187 divided by 9 children. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 21 minus 18 is 3. Next is 3 8, that is 38. 9 fours are 36. You are left with 2, 27. 9 threes are 27. 243 is the answer for this children. Take the LCM. 5 and 4 LCM is 20. 5 fours are 20. 4 5s are 20. 1 20s are 20. 2 4s are 8 minus 1 5s are 5. 243 into 20. 1 0 as it is. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Now we have to solve. You can first subtract 8 minus 5 is 3, and 3 added to 4860 is 4863 divided by 20. Children, next is 1.44 into brackets 144 divided by 12 minus 0.225 plus 3.276. We shall first solve the brackets. We shall keep this number as it is. 1.44 into 144 divided by 12. 12 12s are 144. So 144 divided by 12 is 12 children, minus the same numbers are written. Now next is according to the BODMAS rule, brackets is over. We have removed the brackets. Next we should go for division is also done. Next is multiplication. 1.44 into 12. Do it in the rough column children, which is 17.28 minus these numbers as it is. Next again we have 17.28 minus 0.225. Either you can add first these two, or subtraction is written directly. You can go for 17.28 minus 0.225, which is 17.055 plus the number as it is. Now if you add these two numbers in the rough column, you get 20.331. Here children, we have to, since we have to express it in rational number, as a rational number, so we have to write decimal form into rational number. 20331 divided by, after point there are 3 digits, so in the denominator 1 followed by 3 zeros. Children, next is 1 by 7 into 0.049 plus 3 by 8 minus 7 by 20. To cancel this, we shall write 0.049 can be written as 49 divided by 1000. Now in the numerator, sorry, in the denominator we have 1 by 7. You can cancel 7 ones are 7, 7s are 49. So 7 by 1000 is written here, plus 3 by 8 minus 7 by 20. Now take the LCM. Since you know in the denominator you have 1000, 8 into 125 is 1000. Then 20 into 50 is 1000 children. So the LCM will be, the lowest common multiple will be 1000. Now 1000, how many times is 1000? 1000 ones are 1000. 8 into 125 is 1000. 20 into 50 is 1000. Multiply the numerator. 7 ones are 7. 125 into 3 is 375. Minus 7 5s are 35. 10 as it is. The number is 350. First add 375 plus 7 is 382 minus 350, which is 32 by 1000, which is not in the lowest term. So cancel the 32 number by 2. 2 16s are 32. 2 500s are 1000. Again with 2 table, 2 8s are 16. 2 50s are 500. Again with 2 table, 2 4s are 8. 2 125s are 250. 4 by 125 is the lowest term. Now you can divide in the rough column children. 2 4s are 8. 250 can be divided in the rough column. You get 2 1s are 2. Next number is 5. 2 2s are 4. Next number is 0. 2 5s are 10. In this way you can divide. If you are feeling it difficult to cancel here, you can take them in the rough column and then divide. Question number 5. 5 into 0.16 minus 0.52 plus 8.263. According to the board mass rule, first multiplication. The answer for this is 0.80. The rest numbers are written same. Now subtract. You get 0.28 plus 8.263 as it is. The answer is, if you add these two, you get 8.543. Convert this into rational number. 8543 divided by 1000. Sixth one is 2 by 5 into 3 by 4 plus 1 by 25 into 1 by 2 minus 2 by 10 into 1 by 5. According to the board mass rule, first we have to multiply. If it is divisible, you can cancel here. 2 1s are 2 2s are 1 3s are 3, 5 2s are 10. Here 1 into 1, 2 25 2s are 50 minus 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. 1 by 25. LCM is 50 children. 10 5s are, 50 1s are, 25 2s are. 15 plus 1 minus 2. 15 plus 1 is 16 minus 2 is 14 by 50, which is not in the lowest term. Divide by 2 table. 2 7s are 14. 2 25s are 50. 7 by 25 is the answer. Children, next we shall move to value based question. First question is, Megha bought a book for 112 rupees, half 112 and a half rupees. Now you know half rupee is 50 paise. So what I do here we are going to convert this into decimal form, that is 50 paise. I write it as it is, as rupees 112.50. 0.50 means 50 paise from a shop. Megha has bought a book for this money children from a shop. She gave 500 rupee note to the shopkeeper and got the balance back. After giving 500 rupee note, the shopkeeper will give the balance back. But after she takes the balance back, she realized that the shopkeeper had given her 72 rupees extra. So she, after getting the money back children, she checks the balance money. She comes to know that the shopkeeper has given extra 72 rupees. So what Megha do? Megha returned the extra money and had a feeling of great satisfaction. Now the question is, how much money had the shopkeeper returned to Megha? The cost of the book is 112 rupees 50 paise and she gave 500 rupee note. How much money he has to give back, or how much money did the shopkeeper give to Megha? We have to find out. Children, we know 500. We have to form a statement here. Rupees 500 minus 112.50 paise. This is the money Megha has to get, but extra 72 rupees she has got. So plus 72 outside the bracket we have to write, children. First we shall solve how much she has to get. We have to subtract 500 minus 112.50. We get 387.50. Actually she has to get 387 rupees 50 paise, but she has got 72 rupees extra, so we have to add. We get 459.50. Now 0.50 means half rupee, so I write rupees 459 and a half rupees. This much money the shopkeeper had returned to Megha. Question number B is, what value did Megha exhibit in the above situation? She has followed good manners and she has returned the money back to the shopkeeper. Here we know the value exhibited is honesty. Next is question number 2. Raman had to cover a distance of 30 km. Children, Raman has to cover a distance of 30 km. The total distance is 30 km. Since here from A to B he has to cover, now the total distance is 30 km. Next, to reach his grandmother's house. From A to B. B is grandmother's house. So from A to B he has to cover 30 km. He covered 11.25 km by bus. So some distance, that is 11.25 km, he is travelling by bus. Then 7.083 km by auto. Then he is covering 7.083 km by auto. To cover this distance, he is using different mode of transport. First by bus, then by auto, and rest by foot. The rest distance, what is left now, that is he is using his foot. By walk he is reaching his grandmother's house, the rest distance. Question is, how much distance did Raman cover by foot? What is the distance covered by Raman by foot? The question is asked. So we have to find out, before finding the distance covered by foot, we have to find the distance covered by bus and auto together. To find this, we should add 11.25 plus 7.083. We get 18.333 km. Before adding, we have to convert it into like decimals, then we have to add, children. After we get the total distance covered by bus and auto, this distance should be subtracted with the complete distance, that is 30 km. 30 km will be written as 30.000 minus 18.333. We will take the borrow. We know how to subtract, children. In the earlier classes we have learned 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 3 is 6, point as it is, 9 minus 8 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. So the distance covered by foot is equal to 11.667 km. This distance is 11.667 km. So in this problem, we have to add the distance covered by bus and auto, and then we have to subtract from the bigger distance, that is 30 kilometer. Next is question number B. How is Raman benefited if he walks down to any of his destination? So by walking to any other place, what happens, children? It keeps him healthy. Then in what ways does it affect our environment? So if we use the vehicles, it is going to affect our environment. So he is going by foot, so it makes the environment pollution free. In this way we have finished worksheet number 3 and value based question in this session, children. Hope you have understood well. Thank you, children.